Main interface. Open Palletizer settings. Password is lowercase m. To teach the incoming line setting, you can choose single or double lines according to your needs. You can choose the left and right viewing angle position. According to the actual situation, you can choose 0 or 90 degrees to the line. Move the end of the robot to the top of the box through the pointing movement. Robot enable. Pointing mode is modified to base-cured system jog. This can be accelerated appropriately. In place to reduce the speed in order to accurately reach the position. Disable. Return to the infading settings. Click to teach. Subtract the height of the box from the z-value of the position obtained from the angle of view. Subtract the height of the box in order to get the height of the conveyor plane so that it is easy to replace the different boxes after the gripping point position calculation. Save and return to the main interface.